Hey guys! So, as we talked about before, I am going to be doing the, how do I say it, Angnya brush. The reason I'm doing this is I saw another video on YouTube that actually popped up under one of my own that said this was the best brush on Amazon, and it had a ton of views, so I'm like, well, I want to check that out, and then I went and looked at it, and it was under $10, which always makes me suspicious. So here it is. It's cute. The handle's cute. I like the shape. It's short, which I tend to like. So we're going to look at it and check it out. It said it was sable. It's not crimped. And it is a shorter base, so if you guys aren't into that, not for you. We're going to be using Glitterbell's Coral Sunrise today to check it out so you guys can see everything a little better. I've been using a lot of nudes and stuff. I want to try to fix that. So this week, I have time set aside, so I will be posting every day. I have the Glitterbell's brush, and I got a bunch of their products, so I'm going to do that all at once. I am going to try the polygel again and do a full set on myself. Now that I was waiting to do my nails. I know you guys have noticed they look awful, like gravedigger nails. I was waiting until this grew out where I busted my nail before I put another one on it, and it's just about there. So it's time to do nails again, and it has been awful, driving me crazy. So we're going to be doing that with the polygel, be doing the brush evolution, and we're going to address this Ibella situation because I had to take my video down and I'm not happy about that. And I talked to you guys about the Amazon affiliate thing. Any links that I post are products I purchased with my own money, not sponsored. I'm not, I just get a small commission if you purchase through the links. And the reason I like it that way is because it's products I recommend. It's products that I choose. It's not what someone tells me to use, and I don't have to pretend I like them when I don't. I can even post the links and say they're absolute trash. That's cool. I like that. I like to be able to talk trash about companies that are ripping people off. So that's nice. All right. And thank you guys for all the tips on the polygel. I super appreciate it. I think I might be able to get it with your guys' help now. All right, so I got all the starch out. Checking this out. It's pretty dark. Pretty dark. So there's not as much of the color variation from the barrel to the tip like you typically see with sable. Let's take a look because we know the Young Nails one is 100%. It does get darker, but it's much darker down here than it usually is. It does have a good shape. It's cut well. A couple little wild hairs. So I think we're looking at a blend here again. I don't know. I'm not I'm having trouble with this one because it looks like it's nylon, but it's behaving somewhat like sable. So I can't seem to get a good bead on how much nylon it is because we got the wild hairs like sable. It's not super shiny. It was shiny dry. It's not shiny now. I don't know. That's weird. Got a good shape? I guess we'll see when we get that acrylic on it, won't we? Alright, let's do it. I like the shape of it. It feels good. It's small. I like that. Oh, yeah, no. Nope. Jesus. Didn't even pick up the first one. What kind of trash? This is what I mean. I like to be able to talk shit. Or talk crap. Sorry if you guys have kids watching, I apologize. I'll try to bleep that out. Alright, let's try a different color. Because I want to make sure that was the brush and not me. And there's always the chance it might be me. Maybe I didn't pick it up in time. It did release monomer, so hey. Or maybe it didn't, and that's why I wouldn't pick the damn bead up. I don't know. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, got it that time. That was weird. Oh. Yeah, I don't... That's weird. That's super weird, right? So it looks like it's just whatever acrylic it touched, whatever monomer was right on the outside it grabbed, and that's it. That's weird. I've dropped beads before, but never so consistently. Alright. One more try. Smaller bead this time. Maybe it's me. Okay, but the brush isn't flattening out either. I don't know what, I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. Okay, so it's not flattening, so I can't get a great surface on it. And it's definitely not. Oh, yeah, so one bead, we're already pretty trashed. Let's see if it cleans out. No, yeah, it's not coming out. Let's do a couple more. Never know. Maybe it needs crimped. That's really weird that it's not, because, you know, drier beads are kind of a necessity sometimes, so, that's weird. And it feels like it's not really touching the acrylic. It almost feels like there's something in between it. So it's not releasing monomer almost at all. That's why the beads are coming off like that. It's just dropping them. Huh. That's interesting. And now, now you can see the orange coming out from the nylon. So I'm wondering if this is some sort of treated nylon and that's why it was behaving that way, but now that we're into application, it's not. That's very strange. Let's get another one. We'll check the cuticles. This is weird. Yeah, it's not having a lot of luck with this one. So it's smoothing somewhat okay. But I'm not getting that. Yeah, see how it's rolling up? That's a pretty telltale sign of nylon. That's weird. So I'm wondering if it was just coated in something different, you know, under the starch. But I'm leaving it pretty soaked. I'm not taking a lot of the monomer out. So for it to still be that dry is pretty weird. Huh, interesting. This is different. Huh. Man, I can't wait to do my nails. I'm so excited. It's been like 2 weeks. I had to take them off for surgery anyway, so and then I noticed that bruise under there where my nail had split, so I left them off and it's been driving me nuts. I can feel my fingertips. I don't like that at all. Yeah, even when I leave it soaked, they're still coming back pretty dry. Huh. Okay. So I don't like this. I don't think this is going to work for more than 1 or 2 uses. Because I'm having I don't think this is a very good brush. Not at all. So I won't be including the link to this. Definitely not. Yeah, that's weird. Sorry, I know I say that a lot. I know on the Savalan video, someone said they were going to get a counter for how many times I said weird. I was like, yeah, it was definitely strange. So now I'm just going to say strange or odd or weird. I don't know. I don't really pay attention to what I say. So, in in another video where I was talking about the eye gel brush, I called myself the brush master. And I got a lot of crap for it because I forgot that was in that video. And here, I have stage fright really bad. So this is, being on camera freaks me out. So the way I deal with it is I pretend I'm talking to myself. Or I'm doing somebody's nails, because, you know, while you do nails, your head's down most of the time anyway. So I just pretend like I'm talking to myself or someone else that's in the room. Now, I was talking to myself when I went on that little rant about I'm the brush master, and when I edit, I leave everything in. Yeah, see, it's super dry. I can't get the beads to move after I lay them down. It's just not letting go, and I'm just piling it up trying here, and it's just, there we go. So if it's soaking wet, it works. That's just atrocious. Yeah, that's a no. Look at that. That is awful. It's completely full. And I wasn't specifically trying to clean it out much either, so it's crazy. Anyway, so when I edit, I want you guys to feel like you're here with me and like you're seeing what I see. You know what I mean? So I don't take anything out. I zoom and crop so that you guys can see better, and I fix sound. And if there's like blank spots while I'm curing, I cut that out. So I don't really listen to them. I don't listen to what's said because, you know, I was there. So I forgot that that was there because I was mumbling to myself. And so that's why. So when I'm talking to myself, I talk a lot of trash. That would be why that was there. So I thought that was pretty funny. And then when everybody's calling me the brush master, which I'm okay with. I deserve it. I'm never going to live it down. But at least you guys aren't teasing me about the drill thing, which happens so much more than I even want to talk about. Someone mentioned getting it stuck in their hair, and I'm like, oh Lord, that's going to happen to me. I already know it, but I keep my hair pretty short. But I also wear wigs. Like, is my drill going to snatch my wig off? I don't know. Now I'm terrified. I'm going to forget because I forget things, and I'm going to wear a wig in here one day, and it's just going to yank me up. I know it. It has snatched so many things from me. All right, so this one's a fail. Yeah, it's nylon. I don't know what kind or what this is, but that's a no. Nope. We're better than this. We're not blowing our money on crap anymore. We're not letting them take our money for garbage. Taking this out. I'm done. Look at that. Look at it. Looks like an ice cream cone. So anyway, real quick, I want to talk about something else that I'm going to be doing this week. So two of you guys, my viewers, sent me a gift, and then they showed up one day and the other the next. And I'm going to show you guys. I already talked about it in the last video, so I want to show you guys real quick exactly how much stuff they sent me. All not polished acrylics, monomer, top coat, like, because not polished was on my list, but you know, it's a little pricey, and I was doing the lower cost stuff first, so I hadn't got around to it. And Stephanie Ambrosino and Courtney Ross took it upon themselves to send me that stuff so that you guys could see how the products worked and so that I could try it out, which I thought was that was really nice and really kind of them. And I just wanted to say thank you and let them know how much I appreciate it. They wanted to make sure you guys could see it too, because, you know, we're all noobs here and we're trying stuff out. So they wanted you to see how it works and, you know, what great stuff they have. And I was pretty excited when I opened it. Like, I legit cried both times, and it was kind of sad. I ugly cried. Nobody needs to see that. So we'll be doing that this week as well. And on Monday, I am going to draw for the gel polish kit, and I have another surprise for another person. So we're going to do two because I didn't get to do much this week. So yeah, it's going to be a fun week. Also, this brush, someone recommended a German Kolinsky brush that looked just like this to me in a size 14. And I was like, no, I bought one of those and it's just straight up nylon. And they showed me one that the hairs were much different. So, and then when I clicked on the link for it, it did say upgraded. So I kind of want to see if maybe they fixed their product and are using better stuff. So I got another one of these coming. Yeah. So that's what we got going on this week. We're going to be doing the crimping video. We're going to be doing glitter bells. We're going to be doing the brush evolution and the full set of polygel. We got a lot going on, but I will be posting every day. So thank you guys so much for your tips with the polygel. Thank you so much to Courtney and Stephanie. I really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.